Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taib, Saudi Arabia. We will continue lecture number 39 from exercise 3.3. Now we can have our part number 8. Part number 8 is question number 3, part 8. We have a, b plus c, a plus b, a, b plus c, a plus b, then b, c plus a, b plus c, c plus a, b plus c, then c, a plus b and c plus a plus b and c plus a is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Dear students, your right hand side of this question is actually a formula. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Remove this 3 and 3, we have a plus b plus c. Into first square plus second square plus third square minus first second minus second third minus third first. If you can get your right hand side, this one, that will be equal to your answer. So we will take left hand side, a, b plus c, a plus b, b, c plus a, b plus c, c, a plus b, and c plus a. Keep in mind that you have to make this right hand side. This is a plus b plus c. This is a small bracket. You must have this one. To get this, I got the idea. Adding c2 and c1. Adding C2 in C1. So what you will get? A plus B plus C, B plus C and A plus B. Then A plus B plus C, C plus A and B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B and C plus A. Adding C2 in C1. Now taking A plus B plus C as common from C1. Taking A plus B plus C common from C1, we will have A plus B plus C, and inside this is 1, 1 and 1. B plus C, A plus B, C plus A and B plus C, B, A plus B and C plus A. Now we will subtract R1 from R2 and R1 from R3 by R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. Then we are left with A plus B plus C, 1 B plus C, A plus B. This is 1 minus 1, R2, this is R2, this is R1. So R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 is 0. C plus A minus B minus C, C cancelled out. So we are left with A minus B. C plus A minus B minus C. C cancel out A minus B. Similarly, B plus plus C minus A minus B. B cancelled out, we have C minus A. Now R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1 is 0. A plus B minus C. B cancelled out, A minus C. Similarly, C plus A minus B, A cancelled out, C minus B. This is plus, minus and plus. A plus B plus C. 1. Remove this row and column. A minus B, C minus A minus C, C minus B. Then minus into B plus C. Here you will remove this column and this row. 0, 0. C minus A, C minus B. After that, plus A plus B, remove this column of A plus B and row of A plus B. 0, 0, A minus B and A minus C. Now dear students, you have A plus B plus C into AD minus BC, that formula. AD mean A minus B into C minus B, minus C minus A into A minus C. AD minus BC. Here is minus A plus B into, check that AD, C minus B into 0 is 0 minus 0, plus A plus B into 0 minus 0. Here is A plus B plus C into A minus B, C minus B, C minus A into A minus C, minus 0 into this is 0 plus 0. These two terms will become 0. Our target is to make this one, and that will be ultimately equal to that one. A plus B plus C into AC minus AB minus BC plus B square. AC minus AB minus BC plus B square, then minus into AC minus C square minus A square plus AC. AC minus C square minus A square plus AC. A plus B plus C into, open up the brackets, AC minus AB minus BC plus B square minus AC plus C square plus A square minus AC. Remember that AC and minus AC cancel out. We are left with A plus B plus C into, rearrange. First you write down A square plus B square plus C square. A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC and minus C. AC and CA are same. So you can check your right hand side has the plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. If you multiply them even, then you will get some, the terms will be cancelled out and you will get this answer. So that is equal to right hand side. That's your answer. Okay, after that we have part number 9, 10 and 11. I am taking part number 9. A plus lambda BC, A plus lambda BC, A B plus lambda C, A B plus lambda C, then A B and C plus lambda is equal to lambda square into A plus B plus C plus lambda. We have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Dear students, within the bracket term, it is easy to add C2, C3 and C1. If you add C2, C3 and C1, you will get A plus B plus C plus lambda, then you will take out. Taking left hand side, A plus lambda BC, A B plus lambda C, A B C plus lambda. Adding C2, C3 in C1. A plus lambda plus B plus C, B and C. A plus B plus lambda plus C, B plus lambda and C. A plus B plus C plus lambda, then B and C plus lambda. Remember that from C1 taking common, taking A plus B plus C plus lambda from C1. So A plus B plus C plus lambda, and inside we have 1, 1 and 1, B, B plus lambda and B, C, C, C plus lambda. Subtracting R1 from R2, R1 from R3. Subtracting R1 from R2, R1 from R3. That is R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. Then we will have A plus B plus C plus lambda inside 1, B and C. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 is 0. B plus lambda minus B, B cancelled out, lambda, C minus C is 0. Similarly, 1 minus 1 is 0. R3 minus R1, B minus B is 0. C plus lambda minus C is C cancelled lambda. A plus B plus C plus lambda. 1. Remove row and column of 1. Lambda 0, 0 lambda. Minus B. That will be 0, 0, 0 lambda. Plus C. Remove column of and row of C. 0 lambda 0 0. a plus b plus c plus lambda into 1 into ad minus bc, lambda square minus 0, minus b into 0 minus 0, plus c into 0 minus 0. Here is lambda square into a plus b plus c plus lambda. That was your right hand side. Dear students, I hope that you understood this part. After that, we have part number 10 and 11, and they are similar. We can take part number 11 automatically. Part number 10 will be included, in fact, part number 11. In part number 11, b plus c, c plus a plus b, b plus c, c plus a plus b. Then we have ABC, a square, b square, c square, a, b, c, a square, b square, c square, that is equal to a plus b plus c into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. That is your right hand side. We have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Taking left hand side, b plus c a square, c plus a b square, a plus b c square. Check the right hand side. This first bracket, a plus b plus c, can easily be found by adding c2 and c1. c2 and c1. Adding c2 and c1. We have a plus b plus c, a square, a plus b plus c, b square, a plus b plus c square. Taking a plus b plus c common from c1, taking a plus b plus c common from c1, a plus b plus c, but inside we have 1, 1 and 1, a square, b square, c square. Subtracting R1 from R2, R1 from R3. Subtracting R1 from R2 and R1 from R3. We are left with a plus b plus c. Here is 1a square, 0 b minus a b square minus a square, 0 c minus a c square minus a square. Now a plus b plus c, 1, take 1 plus minus plus, remove the column of 1 and row of 1. We are left with b minus a, b square minus a square, c minus a, c square minus a square, then minus a into, remove this column and row, 0, 0, b square minus a square and c square minus a square. here we have plus a square. Remove this a square column and row. 0, 0, b minus a, c minus a. A plus b plus c. 1 into ab minus bc. b minus a, c square minus a square. ad minus bc. b square minus a square and c minus a. Minus a into ad minus bc. 0 minus 0 plus a square ad minus bc. 0 minus 0. Here we have a plus b plus c, b minus a into c minus a, c plus a, minus into b minus a, b plus a into c minus a, minus 0 plus 0. A plus b plus c. You can check, you have c minus a, both sides you have c minus a, in both terms you have c minus a and b minus a also. So take b minus a, c minus a as common. So inside we are left with c plus a minus b plus a. After that, a plus b plus c into b minus a into c minus a, then c plus a minus b minus a. Open up the bracket, change the sign. Then we are left with inside as c minus b. Here we have a plus b plus c. Dear students, you can check this is b minus a. If you take minus common from b minus a, there will be change of sign. Minus a will become plus a and b will become minus. Then c minus a. Similarly, this is c minus b. You can take minus common from c minus b, b will become positive and c negative. Here minus and minus plus, a plus b plus c into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. That was your right hand side, that's your answer. That was your part number 11. After that, before we start our question number 4, I want to tell you about the cofactors of any member, of any element. Now you will get the logic of sign, what we already say, that this is plus, minus, plus. Now here you will find the logic of this thing. We have the formula cofactor of Aij is equal to minus 1 power I plus j mij. Dear students, this is the formula for the cofactor of any element, any member. Ith row, jth column. cofactor of Aij, usually it is denoted by capital Ij. Usually cofactor of Aij denoted by capital Aij, that is equal to -1 power I plus j. I plus j means row plus column. Mij, this is the minor of Aij. Minor means leaving the row and column of that number, which always be done in the determinant solution. We are using this result. For example, we have question number A. Question number 4, part A and B, two parts are given. So here we can take part number 2. We have B is equal to B is equal to 5 minus 2, 5. Then 3 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 1, 4. And minus 2, 1, minus 2. Minus 2, 1, minus 2. We have to find B, B21, B22, B23. B21, B22, B23 and B determinant. B determinant means solution of the determinant of B. And this B21, B22, B23 mean cofactors of B21, B22, B23. This formula will be applied here for finding B21, B22, B23. Now we will find B determinant. 5 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1 and 4. Minus 2, 1 and minus 2. This is plus, minus and plus. 5. Remove row of 5 and column of 5. This is known as Mij. This is minor. This is minor. Minor of 5. Minus 1, 4, 1 and minus 2. Then minus into minus 2. Remove this column of minus 2 and row of minus 2. 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2. Plus 5. Remove column of 5 and row of 5. 3 minus 1, minus 2, 1. Here we have AD minus BC, 2 minus 4, plus 2, AD minus BC, minus 6 and minus plus, minus 6 plus 8, plus 5 into AD minus BC, 5 into minus 2, 2 into 2 plus 5 into 1, minus 10 plus 4 plus 5, that will be minus 1. So dear students, that was B determinant. I hope that you can complete the first part and particularly A determinant, you will find that. Okay. Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum.